Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today Sam20 is going to be making rustic Italian loaf with the Cuisinart Bread Maker. So let's begin. So to start, we're going to be needing 1.5 cups of water at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 4 cups of flour, half a cup of wheat bran, 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. So I'm going to use this Crisco original nonstick spray just to give it a few pumps here around the tin, and also to our paddle. It's just going to make it easier to knead. So we're going to add our water, our 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then we're going to add our salt, our sugar, our 4 cups of flour, our wheat bran, then we're gonna make a small indentation here, and then we're going to add our yeast. We're then going to place our pan into the bread maker, and we're going to shift it to the right so that it secures. We're then going to close the lid, and we're going to select our French program and our loaf size, which is 2 pounds, and we'll start her up. So after about an hour and 15 minutes, the machine has beeped, letting me know that it's time to add in my sesame seeds. I'm adding black sesame seeds, but you could also use white. And we'll continue to let it bake. And voila, after 4 hours, we have our delicious rustic Italian loaf that smells divine. Nice and warm with a little bit of butter or cream cheese. Oh my goodness. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.pal20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye.